Meaning of MiniCharm Shapes and Abstract Motifs, Series 5 of 9, by jewelhub.co.uk. Shapes and abstract symbols are some of the oldest forms of human expression. Long before written language, people used simple shapes to communicate emotion, connection, and the patterns of life. The Shapes and Abstract MiniCharm family brings together 5 motifs: the heart, circle, spiral, infinity symbol, and starburst, each representing a different emotional truth or inner movement. A heart symbolizes love, care, and emotional openness. It is one of the most universal motifs in the world, appearing in art, stories, and rituals as a reminder of affection, compassion, and the bonds we choose to nurture. A circle represents unity, wholeness, and continuity. With no beginning and no end, the circle reflects the cycles we move through and the sense of completeness we seek in ourselves and our relationships. A spiral symbolizes evolution, inner growth, and the journey inward and outward. Spirals appear in nature, ancient carvings, and sacred art because they mirror the way we learn, expand, and return to ourselves with new understanding. An infinity symbol represents endless possibility, lasting connection, and the idea that some bonds or dreams continue beyond a single moment. A starburst symbolizes inspiration, clarity, and the spark of new ideas, the sudden brightness that shifts your perspective. For JewelHub UK, these motifs reflect the emotional patterns that shape our inner world: love, unity, growth, possibility, and illumination. When worn together, the heart, circle, spiral, infinity symbol, and starburst create a symbolic map of emotional life. The heart speaks to love, the circle to wholeness, the spiral to growth, the infinity symbol to continuity, and the starburst to inspiration. These motifs work beautifully in layered jewelry, charm bracelets, and pendant combinations because they express the abstract, inner parts of who we are, the feelings, cycles, and sparks that guide us quietly from within. The Shapes and Abstract MiniCharm family invites you to carry symbols of emotion, unity, evolution, possibility, and inspiration, a reminder that your inner world is always expanding, connecting, and lighting the path ahead. By jewelhub.co.uk.